Today, my dear aliens, is the evening of July 26, 2020. We are making a chow mein egg noodle soup with hard-boiled eggs, leftover boneless chicken legs barbecue, broccoli, Chinese cabbage, green onions and cilantro for garnishing, chicken broth mix, sesame oil, freshly ground black pepper. I have combined the chow mein and egg noodles, or in Filipino, Miki. Here I have boiled the water already, so I will show you how easy this recipe is. So keep on watching and follow along. We have to pre-cook the broccoli and Chinese cabbage first for about 30 seconds on high heat and set aside. Do not overcook. Just about 30 seconds and then take them out. Remain on high heat. Look how beautiful the vegetables are. Drain. So another 30 seconds and then take them out. Just half cook them so they're not soft, they're still crunchy to eat. Take them all out. You don't need to boil them. The water is hot. Drain. They look beautiful. Look at that. The cabbages are underneath. Now we are going to cook the noodles here. So remain on high heat. We're just going to combine them. We're not overcooking them. And then we are going to drain them. And then boil another set of plain water for our soup. You may pre-cook your chicken, pork, or beef broth if you have time for your soup, or you may use chicken broth mix. So drain them and rinse with cold water so they're not overcooked, and to get rid of the extra flour. There you go, 1 minute's finished. So there we go, the quality of the noodles, they're not overcooked. You can make this dry as well if you like, no soup. So I have about 8 cups of cold or warm water, or you can pre-boil the water. Bring to a boil, high heat. While we're waiting for the water to boil, let's cut up these green onions. You may cut up less or more, it's up to you, and the cilantro for garnishing. I usually add crispy fried shallots. I don't have any, I ran out, and I try to avoid oily food as well. So there you go. The freshly ground black pepper and the sesame oil are optional. Warm up the leftover barbecue. And add the chicken stock. You may add more, you may add less. Adjust your seasoning according to your taste. Let's try. Perfect. Okay, so now I'm adding about this size. Okay, not too long. You don't want your noodle or your chow mein overcooked. It's pre-cooked already. So there you go. Yum. Look at that. Yummy. So let's go in the side. We are going to garnish our noodles. So lower the heat. We're making another batch after for me. The first one is for my husband. So this is how I make my noodle soup. The easy and healthier way. Okay, so we have some cabbage here. We have some broccoli. It's up to you. You can add more, you can add less. Okay. We have the barbecue chicken. Right there. We have the egg. Hard-boiled egg. We have green onions, some cilantro, okay, and we add soup. Yummy soup. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's up to you. You can add more or less. So I have more for me and my daughters. Add a teaspoon or a tablespoon of sesame oil for added aroma. And then add freshly ground black pepper. Look at that yummy noodle soup. Are you hungry yet? This is for my husband. The second one will be mine. I am not putting a lot of noodles. There you go. Just quickly, because it's pre-cooked already. There you go. I'm hungry already. And I love more broccoli. Okay. 1 hard-boiled egg. Just about 4 slices of leftover grilled chicken from last night. My husband grilled them yesterday. Some cilantro, some onions, and the soup. And there's more soup for our youngest daughter. OMG. So good. When she comes home, I'll make her noodle soup. So that's for me. Yummy, yummy. And the soup. OMG. So good. And we still have some. So some for my daughter and some for tomorrow. For me. Turn this off first. OMG. So good. Bon appetit, my friends. OMG. So good.
Come eat now. You don't want your noodles soggy. Yeah, we consume broccoli here raw as well. So good, ginuton. Para wala na'y mabilin kay mahal ang pagkaon. Daginot jud, oh. Grabe. Gipaningot ko sa kalami. Hugasan time. Now watching my Korean show. Thank you ever so much for watching my YouTube supporters. Until next time, I will see you soon.